When we hit a deer, we broke the tab that actually bolts the headlight onto the frame here, so we need to re-plastic weld that into place. This is made out of polypropylene, which it says here on the back, and this same plastic is marked out on this lid, which we're going to use to add more material. You want to get everything in the exact position you want before you start welding, because you don't want to weld it into the wrong position. This clip here clips on right there, and then your blinker light on this side goes in right here. We'll bolt this in place with the intact tab. You want to make sure you look at your body line gap here, because wherever you weld it is where it's going to stay. So we're going to make sure this is even. We'll use some tape to pull this up and keep it in place. Now that we've got everything lined up, let's go ahead and start filling in our plastic. Now we'll make sure we scrape everything clean. Spray it down with rubbing alcohol to make sure all the oils are gone. Start to tack this in place. I'll pull off a piece so I can get it in there a little easier. Start to heat up the plastic and get a pool forming so we can really start adding correct material. At this point, I'm getting the shape into what it would have been factory, so everything will flow together and it won't be as noticeable. Just start dragging over it lightly and melting it into shape and filling in the low spots, making sure everything is even as you can get it. You can use the side of the soldering iron to really smooth it over. Because you have a larger diameter, it can give you a better finish. I remove the tape, everything is in the correct position. Now with that bolt in place, it's all fixed, and that was a lot cheaper than buying a new headlight.